this up into two parts. This is part 2. For some reason my phone doesn't like to upload too big of videos. It is a shitty phone, so apologize for the crappy camera work. It almost can't be helped. Mainly when I'm accelerating through the gears and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and do a part 3 just to be safe on the size of the file.